This short video, I am going to show you a simple but useful calculator. I built this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Calculator help you find the total amount by taking and three things: price, quantity, test rate. We enter the price, the cost of one item. Then we enter the quantity, how many items we want to buy. And finally, we add the test rate like 5%, 5%, 15%, 0%, etc. We click the total, calculate total button. The calculator multiple the price by the quantity and then add the test to give us the final amount. For example, price equal to 100 and quantity equal to 2, test rate equal to 10%. First it calculate 100 by 2 equal to 200, then it's add 10% test which is 20, so the final total become 220. You can use this calculator for online stores, invoices, point of the sale system or personal use. Let I am you showing an code for this calculator. First this HTML file, second is CSS file. This CSS styling to calculator. Third is app.js file. This file add the functionality to calculator. You comment in the calculator. I DM you a calculator file link and we get to access this calculator. Thanks for watching.